Hey guys, here I will show you the exact process of how to cancel GoDaddy domain and get a refund. It's important to understand that GoDaddy's refund policy is time sensitive, so act fast if you just purchased your domain. But first of all, check your refund eligibility. Before starting, you must know your eligibility for a refund. For most standard domains, like .com, .net, .org, a refund is only issued if you cancel the domain within 5 days or 120 hours of the original registration date. If you are past this window, you will still be able to cancel the domain, but you will not receive any money back. Here you can see the full domain-wise cancellation details. I will give the link to this refund page below for easy reference. Before the deletion, first confirm with GoDaddy live chat support. Ask him and confirm whether you will get the refund or not. Once confirmed, then he will tell you to delete it. Here is how to delete. Step 1. Deleting the domain. The first step in this process is to officially delete the domain from your account. This is how you cancel your GoDaddy domain registration. Log into your GoDaddy account. Navigate to your domain portfolio, the list of all your registered domains. Select the specific domain you wish to cancel and refund. Once on the domain settings page, scroll all the way down to the advanced section. Find and click the delete domain option. For my domain, 5 days period is passed, so I cannot request refund. You will be prompted to confirm the deletion. Read this warning carefully. Deleting the domain is permanent. Select the checkbox to confirm you consent to delete the domain. Click Continue to finalize the domain deletion. If you have domain protection enabled, disable it. Once successful, you will see a confirmation that the domain has been deleted. Step 2. Requesting the refund. Deleting the domain within the 5-day period does not automatically trigger the refund. You must explicitly request a refund from GoDaddy support to get your money back. Immediately after deleting the domain, go to the GoDaddy Help Center. You must contact GoDaddy guides via phone, SMS, or live chat. Refund requests received by email are generally not processed. When you connect with a representative, explain that you deleted the domain and are requesting a full refund because the deletion occurred within the 5-day grace period. Be ready to provide your 4-digit customer PIN and the order number for the domain purchase to verify your account. The GoDaddy representative will then process the refund request. You should receive a confirmation email, and the funds typically take 5 to 7 business days to reflect in your original payment method. That's the complete guide on how to cancel and refund a GoDaddy domain. If this video helped you avoid losing your money, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.